Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to open up this package. I purchased some silicone straps for my Sinn U50. I was on Watch Recon looking for, I don't know what I was looking for, but I saw a Sinn U50 look just like this one here, and I clicked on the ad just to see what he was asking for his watch. And I noticed that he was selling it with the silicone straps as well, and his wrist size just happened to be the same as mine, which is 6.5. So I shot him a message just asking if he'd be interested in selling the straps, and we talked back and forth for a little bit, and well, obviously I have the straps here, so you know how that worked out. So I did buy these for a little bit, well, a bit less than what they would go for new. So yeah, figured I could just try it out for the price. Able to pick this up for. So let's see what we have here. So new, this is $360 from Watch Buys, and I'm not sure if that includes the shipping. I was on there just seeing what it priced out at, and I didn't go through the whole process to see if they still charge you additional for shipping. Oh, cool. So yeah, hopefully I didn't lose any spring bars there. Looks like there's 2 in here, or 3. So that's cool. And we got 2 here. So let's see, those seem to be in there pretty firmly. I'm going to try and install this on camera here and get first impressions on how it fits. Now I know you have to cut this to size it. That's why I mentioned that that I and the previous owner of this have the same wrist size. And I believe this has a quick adjust system or not, or how this works. Oh, so this does have double pushers. So one of my complaints with this here is it's just a friction fit clasp with this friction fit safety clasp. So bring that open, getting some wear on the clasp here. Then you open that like that. So I don't know if I'm going to cut this one or not. We'll see how it fits on the black first, and see if that is a determining factor in me keeping this watch. If this has an adjustment system or not. Now, let me get this on the watch and then play around with it some more. I'm assuming it goes on like that. So let's get this on here. Get a little better organized with my tools, so I just keep them in a little jar here. I think I lost one of my oh well. Let's just use this one here. It's not working out too well. Must be a super tight fit. Give it a couple more tries and then I'll mess with this off camera. Yeah. Let me get this on here and I'll be right back. All right. I think it took me about 15 minutes maybe to get this on here. It's a little tricky to get the bracelet off since the end link fits so tightly to the case. But basically I just held the bracelet like this. I removed one of the spring bars here just so I could easily access this, and I pressed up against the case with my fingers while pulling on the bracelet with the rest of my hand, and then I pressed into the holes here to push the spring bars in on both sides, and I was able to pull it out. And then the silicone strap is fitted to the case, so it took a little more effort to get it on here than a universal rubber strap where it would just have a gap in here. But I have it on here. I have not put it on wrist yet. So hopefully I did this the right way. Yeah, looks like it. I don't think I've had a silicone strap with a clasp like this before. So hopefully it fits. I thought there was some kind of a quick adjust system for this. Maybe not. I don't know. So let's get it on wrist. So yes, a little bit loose. I don't know if I'm going to adjust this or not. I'll try it on wrist for a little bit here and see how I like it. So let me know if you like it better on the silicone or on the bracelet. If I would have known I was getting it on silicone, or if I was going to buy it on silicone, I would probably then go with the gray bezel versus the black bezel. I like the black bezel with the bracelet, but with black and black dial, black strap, I probably would go with the gray. Let me hold this red one up to it here. Hope I can do it without losing any of the spring bars. Oh, okay, so I see. So the two spring bars go in each of the ends here, and then these two spring bars here would then go into each end of the clasp. Okay. Maybe that's not what it does. I don't know what I just did here. Oh, this goes into here. Did I just loosen it up? I think I loosened it up, so maybe that's what the adjustment is. Well, if you guys know what I'm supposed to be doing here, just leave it in the comments below. I'll play around with this some more, but I like the way this looks. So if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And I'll catch you on the next video. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Alright, so I kind of forgot that I was going to put this strap up against it. So let's do that. I got distracted by... I don't know how this thing is supposed to work exactly. Maybe this wasn't done right. Maybe you need to put a spring bar through here. I have to do a little bit of research on that. Hopefully this black strap isn't ruined. I could have sworn it was tighter than this when I put it on originally. Yeah, it was. So I think he just pressed this all the way up in here like this. But I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. I think maybe he should have removed more from this side. Because it does seem a little bit lopsided. Seems like more should have been removed from here, and then this could go that way. I wonder how much it would cost for a new black silicone strap. Alright, so 2 spring bars in there. This feels really smooth compared to this one here. Maybe they just have some powder on here or something. So both of these have spring bar ends. So maybe I need to knock out one of these pins on here and put a spring bar in there. And the spring bar would sit up in here, perhaps. I don't know, but anyway, let's just hold this up here, and let me know if you would wear it on the red strap or on the black one. This doesn't look like red though. I guess it is. See if I can hold them both on here. Kind of get you an idea how that would look. All right, I think that will actually conclude the video for today. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.